Hi everyone, here's how I made this zombie look. To start, you want to grab some Vaseline and apply it over your eyebrow hair. I'm going to use PROS-AIDE, which is a skin-safe adhesive. Any other will do. This is just my personal favorite. Then grab some tissue paper and you want to apply it over your eye, but make sure to leave enough room for your eye to blink underneath. Now we're going to start sculpting our eye hole. Grab some latex and cotton and start shaping. To make our fake eyeball, you want to grab some cotton, and I also used a styrofoam ball to have my base for the eye and covered it with more cotton, and then you want to add latex to glue everything together. Add some latex to your base and glue it up. Make sure it is secure. And yeah, this is a sticky, messy job. Make sure your eye is secure, and while this dries, I'm going to add more texture to my skin. I added a few layers of latex mixed with tissue paper, and then I'm just going to pick at it and try to make some blisters and just look gross overall. Then I'm going to grab some water-activated paints. I'm going to use purple as a base and applying it with the sea sponge because it adds this interesting texture and it just makes you look more sickly. Walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. Now I'm going to grab some reds and apply them to the inside of the blisters to make my skin look very irritated. Then for the eyeball and your eye hole, you want to try to use reds and darker colors like black to give it some depth. And for the eyeball itself, I'm using red to simulate veins. I also tried to color the eyeball the same color as my eyes, but it was so difficult to do this with only one eye available because, yeah, I couldn't see anything from my left side. So as you can imagine, I probably wouldn't notice some of the mistakes I'm making here. I used some fake blood with a stipple sponge to mimic some scratches, and also don't forget to add red under your eyes. Apply fake eyelashes to both of the eyes. Then I finished with some white paint on my lips to make them look chapped, and this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this look. This is a very quick and easy way to do this. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my TikTok and Instagram for more videos, and I'll see you guys very soon.